In the last video, you heard old Nunya say, "Alright guys, I thought that my car, the Bird, had jump timing. But look at this. Look at the roller rocker in here, just sitting in there. Pull it out. There we go. Look at that. But if you look at the threads that are down in here, let me take out one of these. See if you can get closer. You see down in there, the threads are toast. I mean, it pulled it completely out. That's how it works around here. That's how it is at Nunya Racing Garage. If it ain't a bad time, you know, you have no luck. You have no luck at all. Hey guys, let's just go in and check and look at the threads that are stripped out on this rocker arm stud. Yeah, see if we can get this sapsucker out and see if we can zoom in on it. Enhance. Let's get in there. Let me get my flashlight out and I'll show you. There it is. You see what I'm talking about? So we're going to take our drill bit. It took us all damn morning to find the right helicoil kit. So let's go. So we got our 29/64 drill bit, and we got a mark to where depth that we're going to go. There we go. And then we have our helicoil kit, 7/16. So we're going to start drilling now. I hope it goes straight. We don't know. We don't know if it's going to go straight. Oh, hang on. I got to put some grease on it. Well, we got our grease on our drill bit just to keep all the metal particles out of the engine. So I'll bring you back after I got it drilled. Well, as you can see, we have her drilled out. Let me just show some light on there if I can. Now we're going to use our tap and get her tapped in, and that, if I run into any problems, I'll bring you back. Okay fellas, as you can see, we got her tapped. Let me shine some light down there for you so you can see. I don't know if you can see or not. I'll get closer. God dang it. Stupo. There we go. Yeah. Can you see down in there? All right. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to throw our helicoil in. See if I can do it one-handed. Oh no. We're close. I don't know. Is she going? Feels like it. Oh yeah, she's going. Put some red Loctite on it and you're good to go, boys. Okay, I'll bring you back once I get the helicoil in. As you can see, fellers, we got her done. It wasn't too bad, but you know, it ain't without a fight. Always with Nunya's Racing Garage. We got a fight to do everything. So now we ought to do is just adjust to the rocker arms. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it.